I'm just grabbing very light tea consistency of cobalt blue, and then trying to figure out where they should go. I use lots of water.
So in this video, my main target is to take the maximum benefits of first wash in watercolor. Try to make as much value as possible so that it helps me later on to define the correct values.
It's the very first wash, so I wouldn't bother too much about the colors. So I'm just trying to identify where my colors would be. And here I'm just adding a bit of ultramarine blue and with burnt sienna to make it a light bluish. Gray to use in a must. I'll add a bit of yellow ochre. And I'm trying to be very loose. I want my paper to be wet, so I will just spray some water so it doesn't get dried up. So I don't want too much hard H here and there. I'm just dropping colors to have wet into wet effect and leaving some places white, so just to show the foam. And I'm trying not to have too much hard edges anywhere, so if I see any hard edges, I'm trying to having some yellow ochre and burnt sienna mixed, and I will just drop them in here, a little bit in there, yeah, and there, probably here as well. This is gonna be a bit of lightly monochromatic, not exactly monochromatic. I'm using basically two or three colors in there. Trying to figuring out if there any hard edges anywhere. I'm trying to just making them soft. Okay, I want this area like that. I'm gonna have a bit of hard edges here in these places because not everything's gonna be the soft edges. So when you have too much soft edges everywhere, and then if you add some hard edges there, that creates some beautiful effect, some visual interest. I can add that later because this is the initial wash, but I'm just trying to having some bit of presetting my stages. As you can see, the consistency is very a bit of thick. Having some random I will just add some dark here. The reason I put sprayed some water just to have not to have any hard edges when I'm adding dark. One thing you gotta remember, let the water do its work, because don't try to manipulate too much. So when you see the water is moving somewhere, and if you feel like now you want that to be in that way, let the water be settled down. Let's see how it takes, where it takes your painting. And here from the side of the brush, I'm just using, I'll need to add more dark in there. So I'll just let it dry now. We'll add dark values. Now I'm going to add you make it just wooden stuff, and I think just add a little bit detail now. Okay, so there will be some here, some there, and maybe some here, here maybe, there, there, and there maybe we can see some from that end. Now I'll have to do some more detail near the mast area. So like that, something. I think I'll stop it here. That's it. Not too much.
So thank you for watching. So this is the final painting, and I hope you liked it. This is different compositions, kind of top-down view and different angle. I try to do something different. So if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.